You guys, AI is exploding right now. It's not just some futuristic fantasy anymore, it's here, it's real, and it's changing the game. Imagine having a business powered by AI, not just keeping up, but absolutely crushing it in the future. That's what we're diving into today. I'm talking 5 AI business ideas for 2025 that can bring in serious cash, like $50,000 a month serious. We're talking scalable, we're talking profitable, we're talking ready to roll right now. No more excuses, it's time to make moves. If you're ready to unlock financial freedom with the power of AI, you're in the right place. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get this money. First up, let's talk about an AI-powered copywriting agency. Imagine a world where your words can captivate audiences, drive sales, and build brands, all with the help of cutting-edge technology. Look, businesses are starving for amazing copy. They crave content that not only grabs attention but also converts readers into loyal customers. They need ads that convert, website copy that sings, and social media posts that go viral. Every piece of content must resonate with the audience and drive engagement. That's where you come in. As a copywriter, you have the power to transform ordinary words into compelling narratives that captivate and convert. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai are your secret weapons. These advanced AI tools can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. These AI bad boys can pump out high-quality content faster than you can say conversion rate optimization. They analyze data, understand trends, and create content that hits the mark every time. But here's the thing, AI alone isn't enough. While AI can handle the heavy lifting, it lacks the human touch, the creativity, and the emotional intelligence that only you can provide. You need that human touch, that creative spark to take it to the next level. That's your edge. Your unique voice and style are what make the content truly special. You combine the speed and efficiency of AI with your own unique voice and style. This synergy allows you to produce content that is not only efficient, but also deeply engaging and personalized. Offer personalized packages, premium services, and watch the clients line up. Tailor your services to meet the specific needs of each client, and they'll keep coming back for more. Charge per project, set up monthly retainers, whatever works for you. Flexibility in your pricing model can attract a wider range of clients and ensure a steady stream of income. Think about it. Land just 10 to 15 solid clients who value your expertise, and you're well on your way to that $50,000 a month. Consistency and quality are key to building long-term relationships. This is how you build a real business, a sustainable business, in the age of AI. By leveraging technology and your unique skills, you can create a thriving copywriting agency that stands the test of time. All right, next up, we're diving into the world of video. Video is king, you know it, I know it, everyone knows it. But here's the problem. Traditional video production is expensive and time-consuming. Not anymore. With AI tools like Pictory and Synthesia, you can create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. No need for fancy studios, actors, or editors. These AI platforms let you generate explainer videos, product demos, even YouTube content, all with incredible ease. Think about the possibilities. Businesses are desperate for high-quality video content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. You can offer these services at a fraction of the cost and still make a killing. And here's a bonus tip. Create faceless YouTube channels using AI-generated videos. Upload consistently, optimize for search, and watch the passive ad revenue roll in. It's like printing money while you sleep. Let's be real. Nobody likes doing boring, repetitive tasks. These tasks can drain energy and creativity, leaving employees feeling unfulfilled and disengaged. And guess what? Businesses are full of them. Data entry, email responses, and other mundane activities consume valuable time that could be better spent on strategic initiatives. Scheduling appointments, managing calendars, and handling routine customer inquiries, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. These tasks, while necessary, often feel like a never-ending cycle. But here's the beautiful thing. AI can automate all of it. Imagine a world where these repetitive tasks are handled seamlessly by intelligent systems, freeing up human resources for more meaningful work. That's where you come in as an AI automation consultant. Your role is to bridge the gap between technology and business needs, ensuring that automation solutions are tailored to each unique organization. You become the hero who swoops in and saves the day, transforming chaotic workflows into streamlined processes. Your expertise brings relief and efficiency to businesses struggling with operational bottlenecks. freeing up businesses from the shackles of tedious tasks. Tools like Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, and other automation platforms become your allies in this mission. And even custom-built GPT-powered workflows are your weapons of choice. You analyze their processes, identify areas for automation, and design solutions that integrate seamlessly with their existing systems. Implementing these solutions not only streamlines their entire operation but also enhances productivity and accuracy. The impact of your work is felt across the organization, from the front lines to the executive suite. And the best part? You get to charge for your expertise. Your knowledge and skills are highly valued, and businesses are willing to invest in the benefits you bring. Offer a done-for-you automation package with a setup fee, ensuring that clients receive a comprehensive solution tailored to their needs, and a recurring monthly subscription for maintenance and optimization. This ensures that their systems remain up to date and continue to deliver maximum value. Land a few clients, then a few more, and before you know it, you're hitting that $50,000 a month mark. Your success is a testament to the value you provide and the trust you build with your clients. It's all about providing real value and solving real problems. As an AI automation consultant, you have the power to transform businesses, improve lives, and achieve financial success. All right, let's talk about building an online empire with an AI-powered e-commerce store. Forget about spending hours brainstorming product ideas. AI can do it for you. Platforms like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate stunning, unique designs for everything from t-shirts to mugs to phone cases. Think about it. You can tap into the booming print-on-demand industry without needing any inventory or dealing with shipping logistics. Platforms like Shopify and Printify handle all of that for you. You focus on the creative side, letting AI fuel your product designs. Use AI-powered ad platforms to target your ideal customers, optimize your listings for conversions, and watch the sales come pouring in. This is a business model that's built for scale. Some entrepreneurs are already generating 6 figures a month with AI-powered e-commerce stores. There's no reason why you can't do the same. It's all about taking action and riding the wave of this AI revolution. Last but not least, let's talk about making money in your sleep with AI financial trading bots. Imagine waking up to find that your investments have grown overnight, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. These bots are designed to work tirelessly, analyzing market trends and executing trades while you rest. The stock market can be intimidating, but AI is leveling the playing field. No longer do you need to be a financial expert to navigate the complexities of trading. AI trading bots can help both novice and experienced traders make smarter decisions by providing real-time data and insights. These sophisticated algorithms can analyze massive amounts of financial data in seconds, identifying profitable trading opportunities that humans would miss. They can process historical data, current market conditions, and even news events to predict future market movements with remarkable accuracy. Platforms like Trade Ideas offer pre-built AI trading bots, which are perfect for those who want to get started quickly without needing to understand the intricacies of coding or algorithm development. Meanwhile, MetaTrader allows you to create your own custom bots. This platform is ideal for those who have a bit more technical know-how and want to tailor their trading strategies to their specific needs. You can even find developers who can build bespoke AI trading systems tailored to your specific risk tolerance and financial goals. This means you can have a bot that is uniquely suited to your investment style, whether you are risk-averse or a high-risk trader. Now here's how you can win. Either offer AI-powered trading services to clients, which can be a lucrative business opportunity, or manage your own portfolio using AI insights. By leveraging AI, you can provide value-added services to your clients, helping them achieve better returns on their investments, or manage your own portfolio using AI insights. This approach allows you to take control of your financial future, making informed decisions based on data-driven analysis rather than gut feelings or guesswork. With the right strategies and risk management, many traders are generating significant returns, even in volatile market conditions. AI trading bots can help you stay ahead of the curve, adapting to market changes faster than any human could. Of course, it's important to remember that all investments carry risk. No system is foolproof, and there will always be a degree of uncertainty in the markets. It's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place to protect your investments. and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your due diligence and consult with financial advisors to ensure that your investment strategy aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. But with AI by your side, you can make more informed trading decisions. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately gives you a significant edge over traditional trading methods and potentially unlock a whole new level of financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities of having a reliable AI partner that works around the clock, helping you achieve your financial dreams. The future of trading is here, and it's powered by AI. Boom! There you have it. 5 killer AI business ideas for 2025 that can put you on the fast track to $50,000 a month or more. Whether you're passionate about writing, video, automation, e-commerce, or trading, there's an AI-powered opportunity out there for you. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Don't be that person who's left behind, wondering what could have been. Choose an idea that resonates with you, take action, and start building your AI-powered empire today. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing AI strategies. Let's crush it together.